So today's episode of Cooking with Kid Joy, we'll be making a season finale Garden Chicken Pasta. Let's get started. First, we're gonna pour the noodles. So now my dad is gonna julienne the vegetables. Dad, what were you doing before?
What's that?
What were you doing before cutting the carrot?
Oh, just getting the outside part of the carrot off. That's where all the dirt was.
Oh, like the skin off?
Yeah.
See what's Daddy doing? That's what you're supposed to do.
Those are julienne strips right there. And strips of carrot.
Yep.
This is frozen broccoli, so you can use this or fresh, it doesn't matter. Cut the little stems off and use the flowerettes.
Since it's like a garden chicken pasta, do you have to have like garden everything like?
You need garden vegetables. So there's your garden vegetables, and now I'm gonna julienne this onion.
Drain your noodles and set them to the side.
There you go. Garden chicken pasta is almost done.
Yep. So now we're gonna season the chicken. Remember, wet hand, dry hand. Well, now we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. Okay. Season it in. Put a lot of seasoning as you can. Now we're gonna cook the chicken. Now we're gonna put it in a pan and put it in the oven for 6 minutes to finish it off. So now we're gonna saute the vegetables. First our carrots, and then broccoli.
Gonna add a little soy sauce. And move that around a little bit, okay? Here we go. Let that cook for about a minute.
Now we add the onions and the peas. Dump all the onions in. And then add the peas. it in.
Good job, buddy. That's good.
Now stir. So this is done. Now we do the pasta.
So first we start with butter. There you go. Put the butter in there, right?
Yes.
Now put your pasta in there. Pasta, not pesto.
We added the noodles to the butter. Now we add the pesto.
Now we check our chicken.
My dad's gonna cut the chicken.
Oh, look at that. That's perfect. See that meat?
Mm-hmm.
That's great.
I never had a garden chicken pasta, but I wonder what it's gonna taste like.
Well, this is a recipe you came up with, so we'll see. And always let meat rest for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes when you pull it out of the oven, because you don't want to rip the chicken. But see how perfectly cooked that is?
Yep.
Zoom in and get a picture of that. Look at that.
Oh yeah. So here's our garden chicken pasta. Looks like it is yummy and delicious. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave your comments below and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.